Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Claude Code inside Cursor. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open your web browser and search for Claude Code. From the search results, you're going to open the official Claude Code documentation page. And on that page, you'll find setup instructions and requirements. So you're going to look for the section that explains how to install Claude Code in supported code editors. From there, you're going to choose the option for Cursor, and this will redirect you to the Cursor's extension marketplace where you can install the Claude Code extension. Then you're going to click the install button and wait a few moments for the extension to be added to your Cursor. Once the installation is complete, open Cursor and locate the AI or Agents panel. You can usually access it from the top right area of the editor. Inside the panel, you're going to click the Additional Options menu, often represented by 3 dots. Among the available options, you should see Claude Code. So select it to open the Claude Code interface with Cursor. This is where you will interact with Claude Code for coding assistance, code generation, debugging, and other development tasks. To start using Claude Code, you'll need an active Claude subscription depending on your account. This could be a Pro, Team, or Enterprise plan. Alternatively, some users may have access through API billing, where usage is charged directly to their Anthropic account instead of a subscription plan. After connecting your account, Claude Code will be ready to use inside Cursor. It will allow you to work with AI directly from your coding environment. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.